Have you ever wondered why some catfish in your pond grow faster than the other? Or why some catfish in your pond seems to disappear? The answer lies in sorting. In today's video, I will break down what sorting in catfish farming is all about, its advantages, disadvantages, and how you can do it effectively to maximize your profit. My name is Bamidele Ayomekun. You are welcome to Aqua Market 7 channel, your go-to channel for fish farming tips, farming system, and strategies to maximize productivity and profit in your catfish business. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. And for our returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive into today's topic. Before I go into details, let's understand the term sorting. Sorting is the process of grading fish into different sizes to promote uniform growth and prevent losses. And why some catfish grow at different size could be caused by their genetic factors, feeding habits, and competition in the pond. Now that you understand sorting and why some fish grow bigger than others, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of sorting. Here are the advantages of sorting. Number 1, it prevents cannibalism. They tend to prey on smaller fish if you did not sort your fish. Number 2, to ensure uniform growth. Sorting will help the fish in your pond to grow at the same level when you do it on a regular basis. Number 3, it will reduce mortality rates. When you sort your fish, it's going to reduce mortality rates experiences in your farm. Here are the disadvantages of sorting. Number 1, labor intensive. You labor intensively to sort your fish, especially when you have a big farm or plenty fish to sort, like 10,000, 15,000. It's going to be a stress or need more capacity to do this. Number 2, stress on fish. The more you sort your fish, the more stress is going to be on the fish. That is why you need to do some things so that it's going to reduce stress. And if you want to know about this, do well to pen down your any confusion you are having on this video in the comment section. And number 3, it's a risk for injury. When proper care is not taken while sorting the fish, it could also cause injury on the fish, which can lead to weakness and can also affect their health. The question now is, how often should you sort your fish? I recommend 2 to 4 weeks. Or the interval of 3 weeks every week to sort the fish you have in your pond. Also make sure that and also make use of proper equipment to sort your fish, such as sorting net, grading frame, and etc. Do you sort your fish? And if yes, how often do you sort your fish in your farm? If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, share this video to fellow fish farmers, and subscribe to Aqua Market 7 channel for more fish farming tips. We upload new videos every week to help you grow your business. Thank you for staying true.